Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Media Rewards app. First, download the app from your preferred app store, whether it's for Android or iOS. Once installed, open it and create your free account using your email. Make sure to grant the app all required permissions, like access to your microphone or usage data, so it can accurately track your media consumption and start earning you points right away. Earning points with Media Rewards is surprisingly simple and mostly passive. The app works in the background, quietly collecting anonymous data about the media you consume, like TV shows, radio programs, and streaming services. You'll automatically accumulate points just by going about your daily routine. The more consistently you use your device with the app running, the more points you'll see added to your balance. To really maximize your earnings, ensure the Media Rewards app is always active on your main devices. Consider installing it on multiple phones or tablets if you use them regularly. Also, keep an eye out for special opportunities like short surveys. These often provide a quick boost to your point total. Don't forget to share your unique referral code with friends to earn bonus points when they sign up and start using the app. Once you've accumulated enough points, redeeming your rewards is straightforward. Navigate to the rewards section within the app, where you'll find a selection of gift cards from popular retailers and online stores. Simply choose your desired gift card, and it will be delivered digitally. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.